all of us in Kura Benina Mebuno, Ubia per shortcut, Ubia Caticones. Then make a choice, you need to top pressure my own. And then man, the Omdiaba, one of Muni Mose iPhone there, I then 13 Pro. Now, and also great Juma, look at the challenge I make. Mano, because much more than if you are Casio. Now, here, Juma, and because what Tim Fifracoto phone, yeah. So, it's now Mano, so no, or Mumu, that don't do now, Bruno. The craze for this.
Yeah. Come the best snap.
The craze for this. No, me munu ina mafa and no more iPhone 13 Pros and now go up and down no more time wasting. A chunk of Imebune wa Ghana no a job opportunities are ding. A chunk go when you wake up and you see your colleagues, your friends, your family members maybe. Yes, or munko school. Yes, or muni is juma. A chunk of them. And you are so dear Danny personal. And you been this Pro Max 13 whatever competition. Rubbish.
Was it Pro Max 13?
So I say, I'm careful. The musicians, in as much as Omo boy me energy, in 70 be also Mokika Omo. So I say, in 70 be Mokika Omo. If you don't take care, those in 7 influencing Mabruno Momi and no man fata.
Yeah. Yeah.
Meaning the classified authorities or more to say, or my say, Asansi and you may be a baba, a Montenegro airplane.
The Ghana to your classification.
No. And a Mumusa, Matu Money, and the Dusty Money, and Dr. Khan Money, Quesia Bajimo. You know, because a new Nibiwa, a very bad. Yet they are grow, sir. Now you want a good influencer, M1 na yen Susan so Mabunus because it sticks at their younger age. Ghana Muda Hodo. La Momere, Yen Tokuni, Nantokoni Dos. Ghana Muda O. Oko Haba, Ghana Muda Hopapa.
The BM
Oko Pot, Emuda Hopapa. Urakotoka, Ghana Muda Ho too much. Ghana Muda Ho. People are just milking Ghana.
Just like that.
All right.
Yeah.